Welcome to our how to use video for our new Polaris surgical lights. The Polaris features many different benefits to make your daily work a little more comfortable. It's future-proof, it can be customized, it's designed ergonomically, and it helps to prevent cross-infections. Within our platform, we have three predefined variants: the Polaris Comfort, Polaris Pro, and Polaris Pro Plus. Apart from that, you can select further features, just according to your individual needs and requirements. Due to the platform approach, features can easily be added at a later point in time. For example, the camera, radio receiver, or control panels. We offer outstanding lighting performance to comply with all types of surgeries and make different tissue structures visible. Our medical-grade LEDs have very high color rendering indices, so that you have an optimal, realistic, and natural sight on the wound field. The light intensity can vary between 16K to 160K lux and can be set on the control panel. The Endo Light mode can be set for non-invasive surgeries such as endoscopic procedures. It reduces the illuminance and sets a uniform, wide light field. The light field diameter is selectable depending on the size of the wound field and type of surgery. For the Polaris Comfort, it is 24 to 30 centimeters, and for the Polaris Pro and Pro Plus, it is 14 to 30 centimeters steplessly. Both settings can also be controlled with the sterile touch control function on the central handle by grabbing it and either tapping or swiping on the upper ring. In order to detect different tissue structures, you can select different color temperatures from warm white to cold white, 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. For the Polaris Comfort, the color temperature needs to be pre-ordered. The illumination depth is from 750 mm to 1300 mm. The 4K camera is integrated decentrally into the light head, next to the inner handle, and gives you a clear and precise picture without flickering. The video transmission can be wired or wireless and lets you show the picture wherever it is needed, on a display in your OR or in a separate room. Only one handle is necessary for the operation of the light with or without a camera. Our extensive control concept lets you choose from a wide range of customized control panels. In that way, you can streamline your OR workflows according to your requirements. For non-sterile personnel, we can offer the control panel on the light head, which is part of the standard package, an external control unit, for example, a display on the cardanix of the light head, or wall control. Polaris lights are equipped with an interface for OR integration, which allows partner companies to interact with our lights in their systems on an OR wall tableau. Furthermore, the camera can be operated by a remote control. For sterile personnel, we offer the central handle with STC function. But there are many more functions making your work more ergonomic. Our lights are extremely easy and intuitive to handle. With their rotationally symmetric design and the smooth running axes, they can easily be moved and positioned in all directions and 360 degrees. The control panels are touch sensitive and intuitive to understand. If you are using the control display on the gimbal, you benefit from color markings which recur on the axes of the light heads. Our new surgical lights offer functions that can improve the workflows in the OR and thus save valuable time. The 3D shadow compensation function detects objects between the light head and the surgical field and compensates for shadowing by actively controlling the LEDs. By providing a constant brightness in the surgical field, an optimal surgical procedure is facilitated. A a single light head cannot exceed the threshold for irradiance. However, if the light fields of two light heads are directed on the same point, the permissible limit value can be exceeded. The light guard function comfortably supports and controls the irradiance on both the skin and surgical field by limiting it to a value of 700 watts per square meter. Creating individual light settings and later selecting these settings enables a faster startup in the OR. The surgeon's preferred settings can be saved according to the type of surgery or to individual users. The Polaris comes with exemplary pre-saved settings for a wide range of surgery procedures. When activating the sync mode, all of the system's active light heads work with the same light settings, so that the light heads can be controlled simultaneously with one control panel. The following features can be synchronized: light intensity, color temperature, light field diameter, endolight, and anti-glare mode. Especially during long surgeries, it might be beneficial to increase the surgeon's eye comfort and to help to prevent from the risk of long-term eye damage. The anti-glare function makes sure that there is a smooth transition of the light field between the brightly lit surgical field and the darker surroundings. With the help of adjustable brightness transition, the surgeon's concentration levels can be positively supported, especially during long surgeries. Blue light can possibly damage the eye. The Eye Relax function sets the luminaire to an eye care mode with low blue content. It also optimally sets color temperature, light intensity, and light field, while maintaining high color rendering indices. The design of our lights enables an easy and fast cleaning process due to rounded edges and smooth surfaces. We use robust materials for our light surfaces that are resistant to several disinfectants. You only need to use one disinfection agent out of our list of approximately 20 validated agents for the whole OR workplace for all Draeger devices. Furthermore, our lights are laminar flow compatible. As stated before, we can offer a reusable or disposable inner handle, depending on your individual hygiene concept.